Happy Kids Learning.
Hello, Bella. How are you?
Hi, Professor Owie. I am good. Are we going to the forest today?
Yes. Welcome to the Fantastic Forest Animal Quiz.
Cool. Let's get it started.
Which animal is a tiger?
This one is the answer. A big tiger. Tigers are big cats with beautiful orange and black stripes, known for their strength and power.
Which animal likes to climb trees and eat nuts?
That's correct. It is squirrel. Squirrels love to climb trees and munch on nuts, scurrying around with lots of energy.
Which animal is red and has a bushy tail?
The answer is this one, a fox. Foxes are clever animals with bright red fur and fluffy bushy tails.
Which animal is a chimpanzee?
Right answer. This photo shows a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are smart primates that use tools and love to swing from branch to branch in the trees.
Which animal has lots of spikes on its back?
Hedgehog is the correct answer, so this one. Hedgehogs have lots of spiky quills on their backs, which they use to protect themselves when they curl up.
Which animal has long legs and runs fast?
This one is the answer, a deer! Deer are graceful animals with long legs that allow them to run quickly through the forest. My turn to ask questions now. Which animal is a tree frog?
The answer is this one. Tree frogs are small and colorful, and they use their sticky feet to climb trees in the rainforest.
Which animal changes colors to hide from danger?
That's correct. It is chameleon. Chameleons can change their skin color to blend in with their surroundings, hiding from predators.
Which animal likes to howl?
That's correct. It's wolf. Wolves are known for their haunting howls, which they use to communicate with their pack.
Which animal is a bald eagle?
This one is a bald eagle. The bald eagle is a majestic bird with a white head and a powerful beak, symbolizing freedom. Great job, Bella. You've done really well with the easy questions. Now, let's learn with some medium-level questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. This quiz is really fun, and I want to learn more.
Which animal likes to eat bamboo?
That's correct, it's panda. Pandas are adorable with their distinct black and white fur, and they love munching on bamboo all day long.
Which animal hibernates during the winter?
This one is the answer, a bear. Bears hibernate during the winter, sleeping snugly in their dens until spring.
Which animal uses its tail to swing from trees?
Monkey is the right answer. Monkeys are playful creatures with furry bodies and expressive faces, using their long tails to swing from tree to tree in the jungle.
Which animal is active at night?
The answer is this one, raccoon. Raccoons are clever and active at night, often exploring and searching for food.
Which animal is known for moving extremely slowly?
Right answer, sloth. Sloths are known for moving very slowly, hanging out in trees and taking their time.
Which animal uses its tongue to eat ants?
The answer is this one, anteater. Anteaters use their long tongues to slurp up ants and termites, making them great at pest control.
Which animal uses a long snout to grasp food?
This one is correct, a tapir. Tapirs have unique long snouts and a stout body with a varied coat that can be black, white, or brown, helping them grab leaves and fruit to eat in the forest. My turn again. Which animal is famous for its large antlers?
Moose is the right answer. Moose are impressive with their huge antlers, which they use to defend themselves.
Which animal has a reddish coat and ringed tail?
Correct. It's red panda. Red pandas have a gorgeous reddish coat and a ringed tail, climbing trees with ease.
Which animal is known for its brightly colored large bill?
That's correct. It is toucan. Toucans are famous for their large, brightly colored bills, which they use to pick fruit and charm friends. Impressive work on those medium questions. Now, who's up for the real challenge?
Let's do it! Bring on the hard questions.
Which animal is a jaguar?
This one is the answer. Hard to tell from the other big cats. Jaguars are powerful big cats with a beautiful spotted coat that helps them blend into the jungle.
Which animal creates wallows to cool off?
boar is the right answer. Boars are wild pigs with coarse hair and sharp tusks, and they love to cool off by making wallows, muddy areas where they can roll around and relax.
Which animal can regenerate its tail and limbs?
The answer is this one, salamander. Salamanders have moist, smooth skin, have the remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs and tails.
Which mammal is fully covered in protective scales?
That's correct. It is pangolin. Pangolins are covered in hard, overlapping scales, curling into a ball for protection when threatened.
Which animal sleeps up to 20 hours a day in tree branches?
Correct. The answer is koala. Koalas are cuddly, tree-dwelling animal from Australia that spend most of their time sleeping in eucalyptus trees and eating their leaves.
Which animal has quills that can detach when threatened?
The answer is this one, porcupine. Porcupines are rodents with a coat of sharp spines or quills that they can release to defend against predators.
Which animal is known for its silverback leader in the group?
This one is correct, gorilla. Gorillas are large, ground-dwelling apes with dark hair, led by a dominant male known as a silverback, who protects the troop. My turn to ask hard questions. Which animal uses its tail for balance and communication?
This one is correct. Lemur. Lemurs are small, agile primates with large eyes and a long, striped tail, primarily found in Madagascar.
Which animal marks territory with a back scent gland?
Peccary is the right answer. Peccaries, also known as javelinas, are medium-sized animals resembling pigs, using scent glands to mark their territory.
Which animal fakes burying food to fool thieves?
The answer is this one, squirrel. Squirrels sometimes fake burying their food to trick other animals into thinking they've stored it there, helping to protect their stash.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.